Let's take a look at booking schedules. Schedules are how you can place rules and prices to the bookable products you create. These rules can be changed and edited at any time. Let's take a look at how we do that. We're going to click into Booking Schedules, View Edit, and let's go with axe throwing. So I'm going to edit my axe throwing schedules, and we'll click over to General first. You can rename this to whatever you'd like here. Booking interval is going to be how many minutes between each spot in the schedule. So if I set this to 15, every booking increment in the schedule would be 15 minutes. Number of lanes, we can change this and you'll have a different number of lanes. Now, people per lane, that's going to dictate how many people can actually be booked per lane. So if I do 12 people in this case, 2 lanes are going to be booked because we have 6 people per lane. If I want to change it to 5, we can do it there. Max groups that start at one time. This is going to only allow you to start this many people or different groups at one time in your schedule. So you won't ever have to have 10 people starting at one time. It makes it harder for people to onboard the people throwing or whatever activity they may be doing. Hours before they reserve. If you want to set a parameter where they can't book right before they come in, you can do that here. So you could set it to 24 hours if you want them to make it a day to notify you before they book something. A couple other options down here. You can make it so no payment is required to reserve by clicking here. You can offer the option of down payment and not require full payment by changing the number here. Couple places for messages, so confirmation message at the bottom of your form is right there. The ability to enable coupons and gift cards is right here, so users can enter coupons when they're online booking if that's checked. You can also add a convenience fee for credit cards, etc. if you'd like by enabling that checkbox. Here's a couple parameters. This is what's going to start your schedule time. This isn't going to make it bookable on your client side. You actually need to add your products to your schedule. This is just going to make it so no bookings can go past 8 o'clock. Since we have different time options for products, we need to set an end date somewhere, and that's where you would do it. So no product will ever be able to be booked if it goes past 8 o'clock. Let's scroll down. We just have a few more options where you can set different messages above and below your schedule. You can make the schedule private if you don't want it available for the public. And then we just have a couple other SEO and Google tracking tags right below here. All right, so that's our main general settings tab. If we go over to the emails, you can set a different email message to every client that reserves. They'll receive an email booking message, and you can customize that here. And our last tab is product schedule edit times. So in order for the public to be able to book something, you must add it here. So let's just say we wanted to add 13 to 24 people axe throwing, and we only wanted that on Fridays from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. This will be the only time the public can now come and reserve this product. Friday, 4 to 8 p.m. And you can see we have it right there. And if we go to the public schedule, it'll now be on available for booking.